Is your monoshocker is leaked or not working properly? Then this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to refill monoshocker of a Pulsar Ns200 right here in the shop. Let's get started. First you need to remove the shock absorber from your bike and then start the process as shown in the video. You can't refill your shock absorber at home, you need to take it into the shop for this process. Keep watching this video because in the middle of this video I am going to share my experience with this repaired monoshocker. Don't try this at home because the shock absorber spring is under high tension and it can be dangerous to you. Bajaj provides the Ns200 with one of the hardest and least effective shock absorber over long time ownership. This can cause back pain issue. First remove the upper nut of the shock absorber by heating the nut. After that take off the nut plate located just after the nut and then slowly release the spring tension. Check that the shock absorber rod is working properly and make sure it isn't damaged. Cut this part in proper alignment as shown in this video. Carefully take out all the internal components. After that, shop owner process the cleaning and refilling of shock absorber as shown in the video. After this full process, the spring is reinstalled into the shocker and nut bolt is tightened properly. Now this is ready to reinstall in your bike, but let me tell you the main thing, repaired monoshock doesn't really work as expected. My suggestion is to everyone, if you face problem with your bike's shock absorber, don't waste time on repairs, just replace them directly because repairing doesn't work. Thanks for watching the Traveler Edge YouTube channel and do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this.